Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I am finished with one of my barn board art pieces. There you have it. Even got some flowers on top. I'll give you a closer look at those flowers. That's just spigot handles painted barbed wire. And I painted some screw heads there to match that so you can't really tell. And I had some scrap wood I cut the heart out of. I drew that heart, put it on. I got the letters from one of the craft stores. I need to get some more letters. I want to have welcome, home, family, and I've got to figure out what letters I need to be able to accommodate those. But as I showed you in another video, did you see my, yep, I'm a good painter. My other video, I take and trace the letter on a piece of cardboard, and that way I'll get 5 or 6 uses out of that piece of cardboard, and I can cut out one of these letters in maybe 3 minutes. And this will be going to the flea market. And I've got some screws in there. That was just to hold it on while I glued it because I was getting a little bit anxious. I wanted to see the finished product. And it's just something to set beside your door. But this is something else I thought of. This I will paint red. And I'm going to put a white star up here. And in here I'm going to put a oak leaf, like the Canadian flag. And I can make these pretty quickly. I'm going to carry them up to the flea market and see if there's any interest. Hope there is. No telling at the flea market. Sometimes you're got something nice, and then other times who knows. I am going to make another Euro mount deer head on some barn board. I found a vine that had kind of grew in a circle, so I'm going to incorporate that into it. And I don't have anything in the deer head, or not a whole lot in the boards. After I do that, if I've got $5 in it, I'm exaggerating. But this helps me with my feral cats, buying them food and dropping it off. So I can make quite a few of these very quickly. One thing I found out on these letters, I bought some spray paint, and it was cheap spray paint. Well, I had to go back in there and dab with a brush, and it looked faded, which that was all right too. But I went and sprayed with a canned polyurethane on the letters just so they wouldn't fade that quick. And can't really tell too much. And it'll be all right. And I also got a cut out heart where if I don't feel like it, I'll just paint a heart red on there. And but I've got a variety of them I'm going to make, and we'll see how they sell. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.